Hey there, savvy savers and global nomads. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in money management just for you. Today, we're tackling how to receive money on Wise in India for 2025. With the ever-evolving world of international transfers, Wise has some fresh updates that make things even smoother. Whether you're waiting on family remittances, freelance payments, or gifts from abroad, this guide will get you set up in no time. Let's dive right in. First things first, you need a Wise account. If you don't have one yet, head to the Wise website or app and sign up using your email or phone number. It's quick and free. Once you're in, the next step is verifying your identity. This is crucial for security, especially in 2025 with tighter regulations. Upload a government-issued ID like your Aadhaar card or passport, and they'll confirm it within minutes. Now, link your Indian bank account. Go to the Accounts section in Wise, select India, and add your bank details. Wise supports major banks like HDFC, ICICI, and SBI, so it should be straightforward. Pro tip: double-check your bank info to avoid any delays. Once that's done, you're ready to receive money. Generate your unique Wise receiving details. Think of it as your personal international address for funds. You can choose to receive in INR or hold in other currencies if needed. Share these details with the sender. They'll transfer the money from their end. In 2025, Wise has rolled out faster processing times, often under 24 hours for transfers to India, thanks to partnerships with local banks. Keep an eye on fees. Wise is transparent, so you'll see exactly what you're paying up front. Once the money lands in your Wise account, withdraw it directly to your Indian bank account. It's that simple. One more thing. Always stay secure. Use two-factor authentication and never share sensitive info. There you have it. Receiving money on Wise in India just got easier for 2025. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more financial tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.